Hello, my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? I hope you are doing wonderful in your life, okay? So, this is your fairy divine story, okay? Fairy story by me, okay? By Divine Born Angel. I am going to tell you a story, okay, Aquarius? And I'm going to tell you some more messages which I promise that I will tell you out, okay? So let's see what are the charms. I this is the reading for Aquarius, okay? So these are the messages for my beautiful Aquarius. I hope it resonates with you, and if it doesn't resonate with you, then you can leave it out. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for so that you can get more beautiful messages. So let's see. I'm going to add some charm to your reading. So let's see what charms are there for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Okay. So here it is. Some of you are dealing with Gemini. Okay, maybe your partner is a Gemini. Libra. Libra is the charming one, okay? And Gemini is the intelligent one. Or some of you are dealing with Cancer. The Cancer are imaginative ones. I think it can't be see you properly if it is Cancer. So these are three signs which have come for you: Gemini, Libra and Cancer. Okay, so let's see what else we are having right now. An elephant. Power, strength. Basically, elephant give you strength, Aquarius. Okay. Owl is there again, intuitions. Owl is there to tell you that you have to trust your intuitions, Aquarius. And this is very beautiful charm, the hand. This is for good luck and fortune and prosperity. This is for you, Aquarius. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And something I'm having in pair, in couple I'm having right now. I can tell you there are two trees. Okay. Two grass, I can say. Okay. So this is in twins, okay? Twin, you are dealing with your twin flame already, or soon you are going to deal with your twin flame, Aquarius, because there are twins. One more thing, this is also a twin. See, a twin. So there are three things which are in pair, a couple. Okay. Then we have one more tree for you. A star. New hopes, new desires are coming towards you, Aquarius. A key, basically a key is there, so you will find your solutions and answers, okay, Aquarius. Soon, very soon, you are going to get your answers. Oh, hold a second. Yeah, Aquarius. So yeah, what else I am having right now? There is a tree too, and it's like, can you see? There are two sides. So something is coming towards you in which you are going to meet your divine counterpart. I'm getting these vibes because you both are connected by soul. Can you see? There are two. This one is connected, two sides. Okay, so yes, luck, prosperity is coming towards you. Yes, and this is also in twin. Wow. See, there are two. Yeah, beautiful, Aquarius. Wonderful charms for you. Four things I can tell you like this. Wait. I hope now you can see clearly. So these are in pair, actually, Aquarius. So yeah, some of you are dealing with Gemini, Libra or Cancer. Okay, Aquarius. This is for good fortune, good luck, Okay, Aquarius, some good luck is coming towards you. Intuitions, owl is there. Trust your intuitions. You are going to become more intuitive now. Elephant is there to give you more strength, Aquarius. This is you, star, giving new hopes and desires, Aquarius. One big leaf, this is clove leaf basically. This is also very beautiful, wonderful, I can say good fortune leaf. Okay, good fortune leaf. And there is a wing, maybe some angel is protecting you. Okay, Aquarius, see, a wing is there. Some, you are being protected by angels and fairies. Okay, so you are being protective by them. So this is flower, then there is leaf, there is one more leaf, a shell kind of thing, okay, in which maybe you are in this process of becoming a flower. Okay, see, they are having seeds. Maybe some offer is coming towards you which will be not empty. Okay, something very beautiful. And one more leaf again. Lots of leaves are there in your reading, Aquarius. Trees are there. There are also very good, beautiful charms for you, Aquarius. Key is there, and everything, can you see, it's in pair. Many things are in pair. So yes, you are dealing with your soulmate. Health, prosperity, everything is there on your table, Aquarius. So these were the charms for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. So yeah, beautiful charms, Aquarius, beautiful charms. So let's see, I'm here to tell you something more interesting. Let's see what your soulmate is thinking about you, Aquarius. Okay, and it will be fun. It will be fun to know that what my beautiful, lovely Aquarius soulmate is thinking about you. Okay, so let's see what my beautiful, lovely Aquarius soulmate is thinking about my Aquarius. You do silly things for me. They are thinking that you do silly things for them, Aquarius. Okay, what else? What else you want me to tell for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world? What their soulmate is thinking? You are crazy and talky. They find you crazy. You do crazy things. Okay, Aquarius. What else? Okay, one plop out. We'll just hold a second. I get. Yeah, so it was you and me deal with every situation well. They know your worth actually, Aquarius. That's what I was telling you. Your soulmate knows your worth, and they know that you both deal with every situation very well. Okay, so what else my lovely Aquarius soulmate is thinking? Okay, you make me smile. Wow. Let me focus it. Okay, is it clear? I think it's not clear. So you make me smile. You make them smile, Aquarius. That's what they are thinking. And it's beautiful. And how sweet it is. They think that you make them smile. You are funny. Your soulmate thinks that you are funny. Okay. Your soulmate thinks that you make them smile. Beautiful, lovely energy around you, Aquarius. How wonderful messages these are. Okay. You are wise and witty. See, they know your worth. They think that you are wise and witty. They know it. Wow. What else they think about my lovely Aquarius? Why they fall out of so far? Wait a second. Okay, so you are dedicated in our relationship. They think that. Okay, Aquarius, they think this, that you are already a dedicated, loyal person. Wow. They are in love with you, Aquarius. Your soulmate is giving beautiful messages. I am laughing because I can feel it. I can feel that vibe that you are dedicated in your relationship. Okay, you are very cute and adorable. Wow. They think that you are very cute. Okay, Aquarius, and adorable. And you are my best friend. Wow. Literally wow, Aquarius. Your soulmate thinks that you are their best friend. They feel you as their best friend. And that's amazing, Aquarius, because if you both are best friends, that's very awesome. They feel that you are the best friend for them. You love me. Okay, they think that you love them. Yes, beautiful. Any other message? Okay. You pamper me like your baby. They love your quality of being pampering. Maybe you pamper your soulmate like a baby. And they love that feeling. They love that thing, Aquarius. Okay. You love me the way nobody else can love. Wow. You love me the way nobody else does. Beautiful. They think that nobody else can love them in the way that you, Aquarius, love them. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful messages, Aquarius. You and I have so much in common. Your soulmate thinks that you both have common things to do. You both are similar, common in general. Okay, you both have so much in common, Aquarius, and they think that you are my home. They think you are the home. Wow. Beautiful, Aquarius. They think that you are my home. They feel you are the home for them. Very nice. You hold me tight. Beautiful energy, Aquarius. Beautiful, beautiful energy. I can see, I can feel the vibe. Okay, any other message for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius? Okay, so I think that's it. So, what? Okay, one more message. You make me feel alive. Because of you, Aquarius, they feel alive again. Wow. Such a beautiful message from your soulmate, Aquarius. They think that you make them alive. Wow. Oh my God. You make me a better person. You make me a better person. Your Aquarius, I will tell you one thing from these messages from your soulmate, that your soulmate knows your worth, Aquarius. Okay, your soulmate knows who you are and they love you. They love you a lot. Okay, because you make them smile. You are funny. They think that you are funny. Okay, because you do silly things for them. Okay, and you are dedicated in their relationship. Okay, they think that you are the best friend, Aquarius, and you pamper them like a baby that they like so much. That quality, that thing they like so much. Okay, Aquarius, they think that you make them feel alive and you make them a better person. What else you want, Aquarius? Okay, very beautiful energy, Aquarius. Very beautiful messages. You respect my family. They love your quality because you respect their family, Aquarius. That's why. They think you are a wonderful, beautiful person, Aquarius. Beautiful messages I am getting for you from your soulmate because you make them a better person. No, don't fall out. It's fall out. Okay, just hold a second. Oh, wow. You are my strength. You are the strength, Aquarius. You are the strength for your soulmate. So enough of these messages. My intuition is trying to stop me here. So beautiful, wonderful messages, Aquarius, from your soulmate. Okay, they want to tell you that You are the strength for them. You make them alive, Aquarius. You make them a better person. You make them smile. Okay, you are the best friend for them, Aquarius. You are crazy and dorky. You are the crazy and dorky one because you do silly things for them, and that makes them feel very, very happy. Okay, so you are wise and witty, and they think that you both deal with every situation very well. That means you know each other very well, Aquarius. You are funny, Aquarius. They think like that. You pamper them like a baby, and that thing they love it. You respect their family. This quality also they love it. You and them have so much in common. That's why they are your soulmate, Aquarius, because soulmates are basically twin flame, a mirror to each other, and they feel it. That's very important, and that's very beautiful, wonderful. They feel that you are their home. You are the home for them, Aquarius. You are dedicated in their relationship. You are very cute and adorable. They love that you love them. They love it. And they think that nobody else can love them other than you, Aquarius. They think that the way you love, nobody else can love them. Wow. They think that you hold them tight. They're missing you. They are missing you, Aquarius. So these were the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius from their soulmates. Okay, Aquarius? So let's see what are the messages from this life purpose oracle deck. And one more thing I'm telling you, that this is also very beautiful, beautiful, beautiful cards. I love my cards. So let's see what are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. So many messages. Okay. Okay, so first message is yoga. Yoga is your first message. Your life is enhanced by yoga, stretching and exercise. If you are not doing it, start doing it, yoga, Aquarius, so that your chakras can be balanced and you will get your light. So your life is enhanced by yoga, stretching and exercise. Second message is oracle card. You are able to discern answers and guidance for yourself and others. I think this is for me, but see how this angel is looking answers and giving answers. Okay, so you are able to get answers and guidance for yourself and others. Okay, Aquarius, this message is for me. I can see. I think this is messages for me, but if it applies on you, take it, because you too are intuitive person, Aquarius. Music, your connection to music is healing for yourself and others. Listen to music, Aquarius. Music is very helpful in healing you. Okay, so let's see what other messages you are having. Helping guides, God, spirits, angels, fairies, every single positive energy around me. Help me to give the messages you want me to deliver for my beautiful Aquarius all over the world. Okay. Energy healing. Your natural energy healing abilities are an important part of your life purpose. Yes, and I'm going to read it out. Energy healing is required. Maybe some of you are requiring energy healing, Aquarius. Your natural energy healing abilities are an important part of your life purpose. Let's see. What is this message? I'm going to read it out. Your natural energy healing abilities are an important part of your life purpose. Your hands are energetically activated to channel healing to others. Think about how many times you have held your hands over someone's ache or pains, including your own. This intuitive action is so natural to you that you may have overlooked or 1 minute. Or downplayed it. In fact, it is an indicative of your spiritual gift of energy healing. Maybe some of you are already don't be aware that you are having energy of healing others, Aquarius. You can heal yourself, you can heal your others. Okay, now it's time to steer your energy healing work in a professional direction. This may involve taking classes to increase your knowledge and confidence. Most important through is holding the intention to conduct energy healing sessions as a career. Once you fearlessly and confidently put this intention out into the universe, your clients will come to you. At first, you may conduct unpaid sessions with friends and family members. Soon, your thought word of mouth and your confused focus intent, you will either attract a paid private practice or you will join a healing energy center. As you initiate your energy healing work, keep your mind and body cleared by practice a healthful lifestyle. As you take excellent care of yourself, your physical and emotional rewards increase. Your high energy is a key ingredient in quick manifesting your dream. Beautiful. Beautiful, Aquarius. This is your life purpose. Okay, maybe some of you may think that what's your life purpose, Aquarius? So maybe these are your purpose. Energy healing. See, I'm also doing energy healing for you. Okay, sending you lots of energy healing, love, light to all my beautiful, lovely, magical beings, Aquarius, all over the world. Any other message? Okay. Travel. Your life purpose involves traveling. So travel is very important part in your life, Aquarius, because your life purpose involves traveling. Some of you are going to travel very soon, or you are keep traveling. So don't worry about it. That's your life purpose, Aquarius. Your purpose in life purpose involves traveling. Okay, you are born traveler. Your life purpose involves traveling. Beautiful message. Any other message you want me to deliver for my beautiful Aquarius? Protected. Yes, that was from your fairy oracle deck too. Protected. You are already being protected. You are safe and supported while you change your career, Aquarius. If you are wishing to change your career, Aquarius, you are protected by guides, angels, God. Okay, Aquarius. So if you are thinking that whether you have to, maybe some of you are want to change your career, change it, because you are safe and supported. Okay, while you change your career, you can change it. Any other message you want me to deliver for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? For my beautiful lovely Aquarius, any other message you want me to give to my beautiful lovely Aquarius all over the world? No. Okay. So these were the life purpose messages which I think I give you, and it will help you out in some manner. Do yoga, Aquarius. If you are not doing it, your life is enhanced by yoga, stretching and exercise. Okay, music is very helpful in healing, Aquarius. Listen to your music. Okay, music will heal you internally too. Okay, and traveling is a part of your life purpose. Okay, Aquarius, your life purpose involves traveling. So travel is a part of your life purpose, Aquarius. And if you're thinking to change your career, you can change it because you already been protected. Okay, you are safe and supported while you change your career. So these were the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Okay, I hope it resonates. I hope it will help you out in some manner. Okay, so let's see what else we have. Beautiful deck, affirmations, love and relationship. I got it. They are affirmation cards which will help you yourself. Okay, Aquarius, this will help you in healing basically. So let's see what are the messages, what are the affirmations you need to give. These are for yourself, Aquarius. Yeah, sorry for the interruption, Aquarius. There was a call. Okay, so let's see what affirmations do you need in love and relationships. Let's see what affirmations do you require. What are the affirmations do we require for my lovely, beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world? Help me, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to give the best positive messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. Too many cards. Okay, so let's see. First affirmation is boundless love. Today I open my eyes a little wider and walk a little taller, noticing that the world around me is filled with tiny miracles. With this mind, it is easy to fall in love over and over again with everything from honeybees to neon signs. And while I am feeling this inspired and this in love, everything else sought to fall into place. Beautiful message, Aquarius. Boundless love. See love in each thing and you are already seeing it. Next is loyalty. I am there for the people I care about in whatever way they need me. Ride to the airport, no problem. Bail you out of jail, you bet. Go see your band again, maybe. The point is where I stand with them. I know I am a part of something special, and to be honest, it doesn't such to look around and remember they are standing with me too. Loyalty. That's what I'm telling you, that Aquarians are the most humanitarian zodiac in all signs, and you are very loyal in your relationships, Aquarius, and you know it. If you have not knowing it, I'm telling you. Listening, I activate my receptive side and become an engaged, intuitive, professional gate listener. Supercharged listening gives me the ability to not only hear the words others are saying, but also to perceive the emotions hiding between their words. Armed with this knowledge, I will be in a great position to give them exactly what they need, or I prefer to dominate the planet. Try to listen, Aquarius, if you are not listening. Be open to receive so that you can receive love. Okay, Aquarius, so be open to listening. Okay, teamwork. I'm determined to be a good teammate in all my relationship. If we disagree, I will resist the urge to place blame and look for a way to solve the problem together. When we are team, everything is a game, and when we are on the same side, nobody can lose, not even the Cubs. Finally, teamwork is very much important, Aquarius. Maybe you are requiring teamwork, so be in a teamwork. Next is no scorekeeping. I cut ties with past conflicts and make my personal life, a clean, shiny slate. Beginning this moment, everything is new. When an old grievance repeat itself in my head, I introduce it to my new head tenants. Tolerance and equanimity. Then I give it its stupid t-shirts and records back and tell it to leave. That's what I was telling you. Release your burdens. Okay, Aquarius, if some burdens are there, you have to release it. Say how they are saying bye-bye. So bye-bye to all the burdens, okay? All the past conflicts, cut all the ties with them and make your slate clean and shiny so that some new thing you can write it down. If you are already, can you see, I can give you example. If you are having a page and it's full, it is written everything, the page is full, okay, how can you write more on this page? You have to clean that page, okay? You need space to write it. So clean your slate, Aquarius, so that you can write it down something, okay, on it. Rest. I take a step away from the stress and then take a deep breath, and then a crankiness, killing nap. When I get the rest I need, I instantly become a better version of myself, able to navigate complex relationship in a single bound. When I don't, I am not, which means I should not, but I try to, and then we cannot, and it does not, but I did it. So it was not, good night. So yes, rest is needed, Aquarius. That's what the message I got in every deck too for you, that some of you are not sleeping well. So take care of yourself, Aquarius. Okay, sleep properly, take some rest, take a vacation if you can. Okay, Aquarius. So these were the messages from this deck. Beautiful messages and affirmations if you have listened it. So let's start. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius, and I'm very happy and ready always to help you out. Okay, it gives me very peace, I can say. Okay, I feel very good once I help you out all. Let's see. Now it's the time for a fairy story which I promised you. So I'm going to take cubes from this deck and I'm going to explain, clarify from this deck. Okay, so let's start your story, Aquarius. Let's see what story is coming towards you, towards my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Let's see. I will take one card from this. Okay, only one card to clarify this. Once I will complete my whole story, then I will tell you the whole story. So let's start. What story you want me to tell to Aquarius? Please guys, God, angels, fairies, spirits, every single positive energy around me, help me out to give the best positive story you want me to deliver to my lovely Aquarius. Okay, so I got a clock for you. Then I got a tower. Tower is there. Then there is a little L. Okay, alphabet, sorry, not a letter, alphabet L. There is a torch light, which is light. Okay, then there is a waiting time. Okay, and I will shuffle them again, and there is a fountain. A fountain is there. Okay, let's see what else. Again this came. There is a stick, basically a stick which old people use to walk. Okay, there is a stick. There is a man coming with a rainbow air balloon, sorry, not a rainbow, air balloon, parachute air. Okay, and there is a finding, investigating sign. So let's see what we are having. Let me clarify first, then I will tell you the story. So let's see. What is this clock means? What is this divine clock mean? Is it divine time? What is it? Help me out to clarify this clock. Help me out to clarify this. Okay, coffin, a letter bottom of the deck. Coffin, so something is ending. The time has come. Death card. So something is ending to start something new. And again there is a tower too. So yes, something is going to end in your life, Aquarius, so that something new can happen. So endings are there. The time has come, maybe. Okay, so first card is this. Now what is this? Help me out to explain this Tower card. What is the Tower card? Help me out to explain this Tower card. Okay, so many messages. I'm not going to take it because I want only one. What is this Tower means? What is this? Okay, I got it. Clover. Clover, clover, clover. Maybe some of you are feeling like this mountain that, you know, a hard time, a bad time is going on and this is very hard, or you cannot, you know, overcome this situation. Okay, but you will, Aquarius. You will, Aquarius, very soon. See how Clover card is come. You, good fortune is coming towards you, Aquarius, because this Tower movement has occurred in your life. Okay, see, this leaf was there also in charms too. You just have to sleep properly and take care of yourself. Things will come automatically your way, Aquarius. Now let's see what is this waiting time means. Okay. Maybe your wait is going to come end. Maybe you are waiting, some of you are waiting to meet your soulmate, your twin flame, Aquarius, and the time is coming near. You are soon going to meet your soulmate. The waiting is over. Time is 1111. Okay, so yeah, you are going to meet your soulmate, Aquarius. The waiting period is going to over now. Okay, you will soon going to meet your soulmate. That is written to you in the books, that is written for you. The waiting period is going to end now. What is this L? Help me out to clarify what is this L. What is this L means? Help me out. So many cards. Help me out to explain the meaning of L. What is the meaning of L? Oh, see, cross. Bottom of the deck is cross. You will feel very happy that you finally have crossed it. You will cross it, Aquarius. Whatever you are going through, you will cross it. And some rider is rushing towards you. Your soulmate is rushing towards you. The letter is L. Alphabet is L. L is maybe your soulmate. Initial is L. Or this is love. Love of your life. Who is riding a horse. Rider. The rider is coming towards you, Aquarius. Your love is coming towards you, basically. And you will feel very happy. The love is coming towards you, Aquarius. The L is love. For my sense, it is love. Okay. The love of your life is coming towards you. They are rushing towards you. Okay. So next is light. What is this? Okay. So many cards. Garden, letter, a gentleman. But I want only one card to clarify. What is this light? Too many cards again. Help me out to clarify the light. What is this light? Again and again. Okay. I need only one card to clarify what is this torch light means. Help me out, clarify out. Again, too many cards. I need only one card. I need only one card to clarify what is this torch means. Garden. Okay. Something new stock is at the bottom of the deck. New birth is taking place, Aquarius. New chapter of your life is going to start. Some new birth is going to happen. That will create a light. Can you see a light? A sun is there, a light. And this is also a torch, a light, open light. Right now, maybe you are not feeling happy. Can you see a girl is sitting in the corner, is not happy, and everyone is playing in the garden. But Aquarius, soon you will get your light. Because something new is happening in your life very soon, Aquarius. What is this fountain? Help me out to clarify this. What is this fountain? Please help me, God, guides, angels. Okay, crossroads. Maybe some of you are at the crossroads, Two of Pentacle energy, to make a decision in your life. Okay, see, question mark. Question mark is there. You are not happy, but you have the key, Aquarius. You have the key. You are at the crossroads to make a decision in your life. Okay, so what is this stick means? Help me out to clarify this stick. What is this stick means? Help me out to clarify. Okay, and that fall out too. Bouquet. Soon you are going to be very happy, Aquarius. Some of you may receive a bouquet. Some of you are dealing with this Libra justice system. Maybe you receive a phone. Yeah. You will be very happy, Aquarius. After making that decision, you will be very happy. Like a flower. You are soon going to meet your soulmate. Next is the parachute and a man, a boy, a girl, whoever it is. Let me know what is the meaning of this. A parachute. Help me out to clarify the meaning of this parachute guy. What are the meaning? Okay. A lady. A lady. Maybe this is you, Aquarius. You are waiting. Can you see a girl who is waiting? Is waiting for the man to come, and your wait will be over. Your wait will be over, Aquarius. Your wait will be over. Now let's see. Let's see what is this. A tree. And bottom of the deck, a letter. You will find a letter. Some of you are going to find a letter. And there is a tree. You both are connected, Aquarius, from past lives. The roots of the tree. Can you see how big the tree is? So your roots are very strong, Aquarius. You are finding it, and you will find it out that your relationship roots are very, very strong. And you will receive a letter. Oh my God. You will receive a letter from the gentleman. Your counterpart, your divine counterpart. You will receive a letter or message. Something from your partner. Okay, Aquarius, don't worry. So here is the story. Now I'm going to explain it. Let me hold my camera like this. So Aquarius, here is the story by me. Okay, let's start. So the time has come, Aquarius. The divine timing has come. Something is ending to start something new, because tower movement is also there. Can you see? There is a tower here. Can you see? So tower are good, Aquarius. Clover card is there. It's very good fortune. It's coming to you. You just need to, heal yourself. Okay, just take care and rest properly. The waiting time, maybe some of you are waiting for your soulmate to come, but it will come. The magic way. You will feel magic, Aquarius. The waiting period, it's coming to an end. Okay, the person who is written, who is destined to you, your soulmate, it's coming to you, Aquarius. The divine timing has come. You already have learned your lessons. Your soulmate, your waiting time is going to come to end. Okay, the waiting is going to end now, and soon you are going to meet your half divine counterpart. Okay, and the person, your love, is rushing towards you. Can you see a rider? So your love is rushing towards you. Okay, the rush, they feel magnetic attracted towards you, Aquarius. They will feel a magnet. You are the magnet to them, and so that's why they are rushing towards you, Aquarius. They are rushing towards you. And maybe you are not feeling good in right now. Can you see a girl who is sitting in the garden, who is not happy, and everyone is playing in the garden and very happy, because she wants to find answers. Okay, Aquarius, she is not happy, she is missing something, and you will find the light, you will find the night. See, you will feel happy, you will be feeling happy, Aquarius, you will be feeling happy once you will meet your soulmate. Okay, so next is fountain. Maybe you have the key. Can you see there is a key here and there is a lock here? Which is a lock? I can say lock. I saw a lock. Just a second. Wait, I saw the lock. Yeah, see, this is lock. Your rider was lock and you have the key. Crossroads, you are at a crossroads, you have the key, Aquarius. Just open this lock, allow this man to come in your life. This is your soulmate. The waiting time period will be over. You are going to soon meeting your divine counterpart. See, there is a lock and here is the key. Just open this lock. Okay, open your heart, make a decision. 22. You have to decide whether you want to open this lock or not, whether you want to welcome your divine counterpart or not. Once you make your mind that yes, you are ready to meet your divine counterpart, this lock will be open, and by the time the wait time period will be over. Okay, Aquarius, and you will feel very happy. Maybe some of you are going to receive this bouquet. Okay, and you will find yourself that your relationship, what you are finding, that roots of your relationships are very strong. You are finding a relationship who is equal to you, who is same as you, and soulmates are same for you, Aquarius. Okay, once you are ready to welcome your soulmate, the soulmate will enter in your life. Okay, but you have to get ready for it, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, physically, in every aspect of your life. But soon you are going to meet your divine counterpart. Okay, Aquarius, right now you are in this state, you are on this waiting state. See how this lady is waiting, and she is very generous. See how she is helping. Every animal is there and she is helping. You will feel very happy, Aquarius. Okay, so this was the story by me, by Divine Born Angel, to you. Let's start one more story. You will receive a letter from your gentleman, the letter which you are waiting. You will receive a letter, you will receive a message through WhatsApp, or you will meet them and you will receive the message. You will receive the message from your gentleman, Aquarius. So let's see what. So these were the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner. If it doesn't resonate with you, then skip it, Aquarius. Okay, don't take any stress. It's not necessary that it will resonate with everyone. Okay, and let me know in the comment section if you want to ask anything. Okay, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you can get more messages. So see you soon, Aquarius. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.